Hello everyone, happy October 14th. Today we celebrate desserts, be bald and be free, and the joy of curiosity. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Dessert Day. A sweet celebration of indulgence and creativity. A great gift could be a dessert sampler box, a baking class voucher, or a cookbook of global sweets. What dessert makes you smile every time? Let's treat ourselves in the comments. Next, it's Be Bald and Be Free Day. A confident celebration of embracing your natural look. A sweet gift could be a scalp care kit, a bold hat collection, or a self-love affirmation deck. Know someone rocking the bald look? Let's cheer them on below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Curiosity Day, a celebration of asking questions and exploring the unknown. A thoughtful gift could be a science experiment kit, a curiosity journal, or a book of fascinating facts. What's something you've been curious about lately? Let's wonder together in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for November 11th to 16th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.